Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Shomu's Biology, and today we are going to review Dr. Morepen Gluco 1. This is the machine that we are going to review, the blood glucose monitoring system, and this system is recommended for those who are diabetic patient, a patient of type 2 diabetes. You can always try and check this, and I'm going to tell you how exactly we are going to get, what exactly we are going to get with this, because this is one of the cheapest blood glucose monitoring system out there. In Amazon it priced approximately 550 rupees or 600 rupees, including some test strips, and including 50 test strips. I already got, I purchased it. 50 test strips are already included for the price of 550 or 600 rupees, which is a very good deal. So it essentially costs around 10 rupees per blood glucose test. So let's open up. First of all, this is the test strip bottle, and I'll open up the test strip. Remember that when you buy this, it should have a hologram like this. This is a proof that it's untampered. If the hologram is tampered anyway, you should not accept this package. You should never accept the package in that way. Anyway, you need to cut this out, the outer side of the strip. I'll cut it out. Okay, so the first part of the job is done. The strip part is over. This is where the strips are. If I open it up, like, inside of which we are going to get this package, and basically you don't need this box anymore. You need this test strips. Okay, the gluco 1 test strips as it's written in here, and you can clearly see the manufacturing date and expiry date here. In my case, the manufacturing date is September 2023, and expiry date was in this case February 2025. So it's good for me. So that's it, and you can open it up, but before that, it simple, yeah, inside of which you can clearly see the test strips. Okay, these are the test strips. Okay, do not contaminate the test strips, keep it aside. Now inside the box of gluco 1, what we are going to get, let's see. I'll open up this box for you, and some cards are there regarding how to test it and everything. And then what we have this box. Okay, now this is the front side of the box. If I open this side, so this is the front side of the box, gluco 1, and if I open it, we are going to see all the components inside. So again, a book and guideline book, how to check and everything. This is the machine that monitors the blood glucose level. And what else we have? We have this pen with which, the lancet basically, with which we can punch holes in your fingertip to get the bloods. And on the bottom, what else we have? We have a battery, and the battery here is 3-volt battery, CR2023. So if somebody is using this glucometer and they are running out of battery, they don't know which battery to fit in, it is the tablet battery, and that is CR2023 tablet battery you can buy, 3-volt. And these are the needles. Okay, needles. And remember one more thing, the needle should be used only once per test. Remember that. Do not repeat the use of the needle, it's very dangerous. Okay, so these are the components inside of which. Now I'm telling you how to usually keep this machine on. So I'll take this machine out. Okay, and in the back you can see the branding of gluco 1 and everything is there. This is the front, this is the display, and here you can see M and C, the test and everything related to that. This is the bottom plate with which through which we insert the test strip. Okay, and put the blood on it. So I'll make it active. How exactly? In the back you can see this is the battery compartment. You open the battery compartment from here. Open the battery compartment. Inside the battery compartment we are going to insert this tablet battery. Okay, and remember one thing that is very important, that it is mentioned here, if the plus sign is on the top, it's written, I don't know whether you can see it or not. So basically the plus side should face upward, and this is the plus side. You can see this is plus side, it's written plus side, and this is minus side. The dotted one is the minus side and this one is plus. So plus will be facing top. So that's how you should place it, like this. Okay, plus is on the top, and we put the compartment back in. Okay, that completes. So now if we click M, you can see that yes, the machine turns on. Okay, so the machine turns on here, and it is written so mg per deciliter, that is the unit of the blood glucose that we measure. Okay, so you turn it off. One click M, it will turn on the machine, and then if we click another time, it will turn it off. Okay, that's simple. And the lancet is also there, and with the help of this lancet Okay, we insert this needle inside the lancet and we take the blood. In the next video, I'll teach you how to use this Dr. Morepen glucose meter to find the blood glucose level. So I believe this video helps you out. So the whole mechanism, the whole process is mentioned in here in this card. I like this very much because most of the people don't know how to utilize it. So you have this card, and obviously with this help of the video that I'm going to prepare next, you can easily understand what is the process without any glitch. So that's it. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that in future. Also remember, in the next video we are going to talk about how to test blood glucose level using Dr. Morepen Gluco 1 monitor. Thank you. Bye.